feeling good in the neighborhood. I think that tagline's already taken. Let's go get lost in the hill country.
Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Good dog, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, coming to you on a supposedly rainy Saturday, but it sure don't look rainy to me. So, supposed to go on a hog ride today, got canceled because of rain. Hello, I don't see no rain. Anyways, I'm here to talk to you very quickly because I just got called out by Dirty Deez for a 3x3 challenge. Thank you, buddy. Really appreciate that, because I just love talking about myself. Oh, wait a minute. I kind of, never mind. So, 3x3 challenge, you get called out by somebody, you got to tell 3 facts about yourself, or 3 things that people don't know, and then you call out 3 other individuals, motovloggers, etc., 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 etc. So, the first thing you guys might not know about me is I actually have a 3rd nipple. How's that for a 3x3 challenge? Totally kidding. But the thing that you guys might not know about me is in my youth, I actually had my nipples pierced. I was quite the punk rocker back in the day, and as metal as I was, decided that was a good idea to do. So I kind of outgrew that phase and no longer have my nipples pierced. So the second thing you might not know about me is I actually have one blue eye and one brown eye and a red eye. So I'll just let you guys figure that one out. So the second thing you might not know about me is I've actually been married for 22 years. I have a son and daughter, and that about makes up my family unit. And the third thing you might not know about me is when I was a kid, I actually had a rash of ear infections. Deer. Get out of here. I actually had a rash of ear infections that caused me to have problems hearing when I was younger. So unfortunately, this caused me to understand people better. I look at people's mouths when they talk. You know, most people, when they sit there and you're chatting with somebody, you guys make eye contact, which I do, but one of those things, it's kind of an unfortunate habit that I've had since I was younger, is, you know, I have a tendency of looking at their mouth to be able to understand what they're saying, even though I can hear fine now. It's just a bad habit. So I'm constantly having to tell myself to look up, effort, quit looking at their mouth. No, look up. So the 3 people I want to call out, number 1, I want to call out Wigsley. He's got a pretty good channel, got some funny content. So Wigsley, you're called out, tell us 3 things about yourself. Number 2 is JDR810. He's a up-and-coming vlogger, just kind of starting out, getting his setup all configured and ready to go. I don't think he's done a 3x3 challenge yet, so JDR810, calling you out for the 3x3 challenge. And the 3rd person I'm calling out is Jiggy Moto. Jiggy, getting jiggy with that. Yeah, so Jiggy Moto, calling you out, man. 3x3 challenge. Deers, I'm gonna eat you. So those are 3 things you might not know about me. And once again, people I'm calling out, it's Wigsley, JDR810, and Jiggy Moto. Again, thank you for watching. This is Bly with IronCross Racing. If you like this video, press the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification as I release a video at least every Wednesday. Hope to see you guys back soon, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. And the 3rd thing you might not know about me is I have extremely big hands and big feet. So, just saying up front. And the fifth thing you might not know about me is I actually live under stairs in a little crawl space. And the third thing you might not know about me is I actually have a ring that I put on and it makes me disappear. And the sixth thing you might not know about me is I actually grew up on Tatooine. And the seventh thing you might not know about me is I actually went to Shermer High School in Shermer, Illinois. And the eighth thing you might not know about me is I actually defended the United States from a communist invasion in the 80s. Me and a band of other teenagers. And the ninth thing you might not know about me is I actually found a pirate treasure off the coast of Oregon. And the tenth thing you might not know about me is I actually skied and successfully completed the K-12.